How to initialize a dict with keys from a list and empty value in Python? I'd like to get from this to this. Is there a Pythonic way of doing it? This is an ugly way to do it.
Dict.fromkeys directly solves the problem. This is actually a class method, so it works for dict subclasses, like collections.defaultDict, as well. The optional second argument, which defaults to none, specifies the value to use for the keys. Note that the same object will be used for each key, which can cause problems with mutable values. If this is unacceptable, see how can I initialize a dictionary whose values are distinct empty lists? For a workaround,
use a dict comprehension. The value expression is evaluated each time, so this can be used to create a dict with separate lists, say, as values.
A list comprehension can be used to build a list of key-value pairs, which can then be passed to the dict constructor. Thus, the value expression is evaluated each time, creating separate lists in the above example.
Yes,